Network-attached storage, or NAS devices, are computer servers for centralizing files and making them easily accessible across multiple devices. This guide will show users on how to access a local shared drive using a Windows computer and help troubleshoot some common issues. Hosting a shared drive will be covered in another video. See the description below for admin access to the GUI or graphical user interface and other related videos. Before we get started, welcome to Projects with Jackie, where we explore the nerdy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Check out the description below for more content. And feel free to leave me a comment. Now let's get started. At work locations, it is common to have a dedicated network admin. This admin should provide you with your user login information and the name or IP address of the shared drive. A common term associated with shared drive is shared folder. These terms often are used to mean the same thing. However, a shared drive is a hard drive that is dedicated to host shared folders, subfolders, and files. To access the shared drive, you will need the IP address to the server and your login credentials. Depending on your situation, it may be provided by a supervisor, tech support, or network admin. Then open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time on your keyboard. In the address bar, type in 2 backslashes followed by the shared drive's IP address. It should look something like what is on the screen, but the IP address numbers may be different. You should be prompted to enter your login information. Now we will talk about pinning the shared drive to quick access. This is optional but recommended. Pinning the shared drive means that there will always be a quick link in the File Explorer, so that when File Explorer is opened, you will only have to click on the shared drive's icon. To pin the shared drive, simply log into it using the steps previously covered. Once logged into the shared drive, left-click and hold the icon that is in the address field, then drag it to the quick access area located on the top left side of File Explorer. You will see a prompt saying pin to quick access, then simply release the left click. Another method to access a shared drive is to first map the network drive. This can be done by opening File Explorer and right-click on this PC on the left-hand side of the window. Then select Map Network Drive, which will open a new window. Select the drive letter to be associated with the shared drive. Oftentimes, people will refer to the shared drive as the S drive or as another letter drive. But this is usually not the best way to refer to the shared drive because everyone can choose a different drive letter, and some businesses may have multiple shared drives. In the folder section, type in 2 backslashes followed by the IP address, then select Browse. A folder will need to be selected and will look something similar to what is on the screen. When accessing a shared drive, understanding permissions is essential for smooth and secure file management. Permissions control what each user can do within a folder, whether it's simply viewing files or fully managing them. Here's a breakdown of shared drive permissions. Permissions generally come in 3 main types: read-only, read-write, and no access. Each level dictates what you can and can't do in a shared folder. These permissions can be assigned to whole folders to include their subfolders and also to individual files. Depending on how your system is set up, you may be able to view the permissions by right-clicking a folder or file and select Properties. Then click on the Security tab. Some systems may have it set so that users cannot view this information. Read-only allows you to view and open files, but restricts you from making changes, deleting, or adding files. Read-only access is common for folders that contain sensitive or shared reference documents that shouldn't be edited. Read-write allows full control over the folder's contents. This means you can add new files, make edits, and delete files as needed. This permission is ideal for collaborative folders where multiple users need editing rights. No access means you either won't see certain folders in the shared drive or will be denied access upon trying to open it. No access is often used to secure folders with confidential data and to keep multiple users from accessing each other's personal folders. Permissions are important because they ensure that files on the shared drive are only accessible to those who need them, protecting sensitive data and preventing accidental file edits or deletions. Proper permissions create a secure and efficient environment for everyone sharing the drive, giving each user the right level of access. By understanding these permission levels, you'll be better equipped to manage shared folders on your shared drive and avoid common access issues. Some shared drives do not allow for live collaboration, which would allow multiple users to edit the same file at the same time. This is especially common with older storage units. It is important to know if your shared drive allows for live collaboration so users can edit the same file at the same time. If live collaboration is not available, then users will block other users from making edits to files by simply having them open. This can become an issue when multiple users need to access a single file at the same time, and I have seen this all the time in my personal work history. For example, there is a meeting in 5 minutes, but multiple people need to access a PowerPoint to make edits to their individual slide. However, one person has the PowerPoint open, but has left their office so nobody can contact said person. So if live collaboration is not available with your system, ensure files are saved and closed when they are not in use. Troubleshooting common issues. This is just a list of things to check. A more detailed guide will be in the description below. If accessing the shared drive by using the IP address, check that backslashes are being used and not forward slashes. Forward slash will not work when trying to access a shared drive. Ensure network discovery is enabled on your computer. Ensure the user is actually logged into their account. Ping the server IP address. In some cases, ping may be disabled on some networks. Double check that your shared drive and PC are on the same network. Ensure your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking the connection. Check that the server is currently powered on. If the server was rebooted or powered off, it is common for it to take 10 to 20 minutes for all services to reactivate. This is common as some updates require the server to be power cycled during or after install. I hope this guide was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Check out the description for more and feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my video, and as always, have a good day.